Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Eli. Welcome back to the channel for another video. So last night I was on YouTube and I was watching some videos and I came across this video that made me rethink my entire process of filming. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys my process of making a YouTube video.
Got across the 300 cause I wanted a Bentley. I wanted a luxury, keyless entry. I got a poor man's Bentley. First swoop was a Benz. Put up with the roof missing. Just wanted the status. No, I couldn't afford it, but she was so hot over here.
Like I always do for all of my videos, I always go on YouTube and watch a video or two on the subject that I want to talk about. And last night I came across this video and I am glad that I did. This video was basically focusing on what beginner YouTubers do, or rather don't do, to improve on the quality of their videos. It really hit home for me when I went back and rewatched all my YouTube videos and realized that everything that this YouTuber was talking about applied to me. Not only did this video point out what I was doing wrong, it also reassured me for everything that I was doing right, which for me is a positive because at least it showed me that I was in the right direction. I can only hope to continue bringing you guys content that you actually find value in and that doesn't feel like a waste of time. With that said, in today's video, I'm going to take you guys behind the scene and show you guys my process of making my YouTube videos. But before we get into that, make sure to drop a like and comment down below to show your support to this channel. And if you're new, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification for more videos like this. Now, those videos, they do take a little time to produce and they do get a little bit expensive as we want to bring up the quality. And for that, your support is very much appreciated. Down in the description, I'm going to have my Amazon affiliate link, which you can use to buy any product that you want. And in turn, we get a small commission that gets reinvested back into this channel to bring you better content. So for every videos that I make, it starts out with an idea. And from that point, I would take that idea and go on YouTube and watch a few videos on the idea that I want to talk about to see what other YouTubers are doing. After I feel like I've watched enough videos on the subject, I would start taking some notes. At this point, I would open up a Word document on my laptop and make a list of everything that I want to talk about. My list may not be everything that I want to talk about in the video, but at least I have some bullet points that I know those subjects that I want to talk about them. While filming, I may decide to add more than what I initially put in my notes. And also while editing, I might decide to take away a few points if I feel like they don't contribute to the full idea of what I wanted to talk about in the video. But it all starts with one idea. The way I used to film my videos, I used to film them line by line. That means I would just hit record and I would say one line and cut and prepare myself for the next line. And that's how I used to film my videos. After realizing that, I started practicing my videos with the hope of being able to do it in one take. Of course, that never actually worked. Because I was so familiar with what I was gonna say, I was able to keep the camera rolling and do my multiple takes within that time frame. And that way I was able to get my entire video idea out. Just to give you guys an idea, the camera that I'm using has a 30-minute capacity of film time. That means I was able to get my entire video idea out, bloopers included, in that 30-minute time frame. That's not really a bad thing. After watching this video, I realized that what I was doing before wasn't bad, I was just doing it wrong. Because I wasn't ready for my videos, I would just film line by line. Now, take that idea of filming multiple takes and actually being ready to film my video makes for a better video. Starting with this video, I'm gonna implement everything that I learned from that video that made me rethink the way I film my videos, and hopefully that improves the quality of my videos. If you guys actually notice any difference, let me know down in the comment below. I'm gonna show you guys what I actually use to film my videos and what my setup actually looks like. In another word, I'm going to show you guys what I'm looking at when I'm filming my videos. And hopefully you can actually learn something from this video. I apologize in advance for the shaky cam because I am terrible at holding a camera. Starting with my computer, I am using a 2019 16-inch MacBook Pro. And on that, I am running Logic Pro X, and that is what I actually use to record my voice. Along with that, I am using the Scarlett 2i2 audio interface. That's what my microphone is plugged into, and it gets run into Logic, and that's how my voice is being picked up. And the microphone that I'm actually using is a Shure SM57. That mic is actually not a boom microphone. It's very famous for recording guitars and drums at the studio. And you guys should know by now that I am using the Canon M50 as my main camera to record my videos. And this is the light that I am using for my videos. All of this equipment is going to be linked down in the description, so if you do want to grab some, you can go ahead and do so. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is how I make my videos. So if you did find this video to be useful, make sure to drop a like and comment down below to show your support to this channel. And if you're new, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications for more videos like this. I will see you next time in the next video.
Time is money. Yeah, this ain't money, don't grow on trees, so how I'm supposed to get some money? If I ain't thuggin', I ain't pushing no weight. I ain't out here pulling up in a race. The ladies won't love me, nobody gon' save me. I might just get a lawyer for my case, yeah. Money and everything.